Next we have our glass mixing bowl. It comes in a set of 3. So it has a 2, a 3, and a 4.5 quart capacity. Our new glass mixing bowls let you mix, prep, heat, and serve all in the same bowl. Now that's efficiency. The wide base makes it extra easy to mix up batters and dressings, and the thick rim gives a secure grip. And of course, the clear glass lets you easily see if all the recipe ingredients are combined. The tempered glass is the same material used in our famous batter bowls. That means they're dishwasher safe, refrigerator, freezer, and microwave safe. Plus, they're oven safe to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and have a 5-year guarantee.
I really feel that the glass mixing bowls fill a gap that we have in our product line because we have the batter bowls, which are great for mixing, but not necessarily the prettiest to display in. And then we have our stainless steel bowls, which are perfect for mixing in and displaying in, but not as versatile in the kitchen that we would be able to use them in the oven and in the microwave. So the glass mixing bowls we can really use for so many different things in our kitchen.